Welcome to Blessed Bible Works, where we explore the beauty and power of God's Word. Today, we're reflecting on 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 8, a verse that speaks directly to the heart of Christian living. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. This simple yet profound passage emphasizes the supreme importance of love in the Christian life. The phrase above all shows us that love isn't just another virtue. It's the foundation of how we are called to live and interact with others. But what does it mean to love each other deeply? The word deeply in the original Greek can also be translated as fervently or intensely. It conveys a love that goes beyond surface-level kindness. It's a sacrificial, unwavering love that reflects the love of Christ for us. Peter then gives a powerful reason for this command, because love covers over a multitude of sins. This isn't saying that our love erases sin. That's a work only Christ can do. Instead, it reminds us that genuine love fosters forgiveness and reconciliation. When we choose to love deeply, we're less likely to hold grudges, gossip, or retaliate. Love allows us to see others through God's eyes, enabling us to forgive their shortcomings as we've been forgiven. In a world filled with division and conflict, this command is more relevant than ever. True, Christ-like love can bridge gaps, heal wounds, and reflect God's grace to a hurting world. Peter's words remind us that love is not just an emotion, it's an active choice. It shows up in the way we speak, serve, and sacrifice for one another. As we meditate on 1 Peter 4 verse 8, let's ask ourselves, how can we practice deep, fervent love today? Is there someone in our lives we need to forgive or show kindness to, even when it's difficult? Remember, the love we're called to reflect isn't based on our own strength, but on God's unending love for us. Because He loved us first, we are equipped to love others deeply. Thank you for spending time with us at Blessed Bible Works. If this message has inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to help us share God's truth with others. Let's make love our greatest aim today and always. God bless.